Hello everybody, Joel here. So today is a pretty exciting day. I'm standing along the bed of the top rail of the bed of my 2005 F-150, and yesterday in the mail, some Solution Finish black trim restore came. I'd ordered it, I think I got it off of Amazon. If I recall right, it's about $27 for a 12-ounce bottle. But this vehicle has some pretty bad fading on the black plastic trim. This is the worst of it right here. And I was looking through the internet just to see which one of these products would be the best solution for me, and I came down with this Solution Finish. So we'll be giving it a try. There's many products out there, Turtle Wax, Meguiar's. There's a lot of different stuff out there. Cerakote. There's some ceramic coated finishings that look really good, but I thought for the price and for the ease of application, this product really stood out. So we're going to give it a try here. I think I might do a versus. I see a lot of those where they've got 4 different types of finishes of restoration products, and then they put down some tape and they do a little shootout between them. But I'm going to do Solution Finish versus doing absolutely nothing. Okay, so now I'm going to do a test of applying the product or doing absolutely nothing. So let's have a look to see what the difference will be. Go ahead and get this applied. Okay, so I will remove the tape. And that is our comparison. Oops, I slopped a little bit right here across the tape, but oh well. And that's our comparison of utilizing Solution Finish on one side and doing absolutely nothing on the other side. So I'll go ahead and finish that up and make it look good. This stuff is actually, it's everything that it says that it is. I guess if that makes any sense. But I'm impressed with how it's working. I still haven't put any more onto the applicator pad since the very beginning, and this is the 3rd door handle. Okay, we'll let that set for a few minutes and then we'll go ahead and give it a wipe with microfiber. Last door handle. It'll be interesting to see how long this lasts. It really doesn't have much of an oil residue. Just seems to rub right in very gently. So this is probably the worst area right up here on windshield cowling. This has really faded to gray. So we'll see if we can get this back to black. So that turned out pretty decent if you compare it with the other side. Now I do need to get into each of the little crevices, but I will do that off of camera. But it looks really good. Maybe I have to hit just a tiny bit right in this area, but it's wow, night and day difference. Solution finish, black trim restore, fantastic product. Still working with same pad, and I haven't had to use much product at all. I've squeezed on maybe 5-6 times for the top of the bed rails, 4 door handles, and half of this windshield cowling. So it's coming along. I'll give you an update at the end of the project. Getting into these crevices is a little bit more challenging, so I switched over to a foam brush, and that seems to be doing the trick. And it doesn't take much. I've only applicated one time onto this foam brush, and it really put a lot in this interior line, so I'm trying to take from there as I move along the front. Well, I have to say that I'm very happy with how this all turned out. I got the front windshield cowling done, put some on the wipers actually. The directions said that you could do part of the wipers, so kind of cleaned and dressed those up a little bit. Did the mirror on the passenger and the driver. Got a door handle, another door handle, and I came back and took care of the trunk handle. That turned out nice, a little bit beat up, but that's to be expected with the tailgate. And both bed sides, got this side done and the other side done. I think they turned out good for how faded and white they were. And over here we took care of the passenger door handles. They turned out just fine. A little bit bright on that one, apologize for the lighting. And the driver's side mirror turned out pretty decent. So that will take care of the solution finish video. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. And thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you all on the next video.